Hello and thanks for joining me. Well, this is going to be a real quick video. I'm going to call it the Wrong Fu Fix. This is a RF30 mill. It was sold by various different manufacturers under different names. But the round column presents a problem. If say I index this to the edge of my vise and I want to drill a hole right there, I put a pilot drill in and I drill a pilot hole. Then I'm going to put that in there. And I can move the table and get that in there. Yeah, I can get that in there just by opening the chuck. But if I want to put this piece in my vise, index it in my vise, I don't have enough travel to go all the way down to that plate to drill a pilot hole. So you got plenty of room for the longer drill, but not the pilot drill. So we're going to fix that. Pretty simple cure. I thought about it a long time ago and I've just never done it. I'm going to do it now. Okay, I've got a piece of 1/2 inch rod in my forejaw. I've got it turning within a 1/2 thousandths there. Got some kind of funky end on there. I'm going to clean it up. Okay, got the end cleaned up. Now I'm drilling a pilot, and I'm going to drill it to just under 1/4 inch. Now I'm going to ream that to 1/1000th under 1/4 inch. May or may not be enough, I don't know. Boy, that's a snug fit. But it needs to be snug, but not that snug. I need to be able to get it in now. Go with a 1/4 inch ream, see what happens. That's it. It's perfect. This is a 632 tap. Extremely small set screw. Extremely easy to break tap too. Doing it in the drill press like this really helps though. Hey, look at here. I took a cutoff tool and I ground a little flat in that center drill. Here we go. Sure that's good and tight. Probably could have got a slightly shorter set screw, although that's not too bad. This is the guessing game. How long do you think I should make it? Make it that long right there. How about that? Okay, let's give this thing a try, see how well it stays on center on a curved surface. Beautiful. Well, it's got a little bit of run out, but I think it'll be all right. We'll be within a few thousandths. That's the wrong foo fix. That'll do it for today. Thanks for joining me.